I sliced in half a delicious French bread, and now I have some pizza sauce that I'm just gonna quickly pour right on the top of these, you guys. We are bringing back a classic homeschool recipe right there. So grab your favorite pizza sauce and spread that right on top of that fresh French, ooh, you know, bread, it just smells so good when it's fresh. And here I have some fresh mozzarella. You know what? You guys would be so proud of me. I went and got a brand new food processor. I took 2 blocks of delicious mozzarella cheese and I shredded it up myself. So now I can just put this in a little Ziploc bag and store the rest that I don't use. And I think you're right. I think it's gonna be so much better. So to all of you out there who told me to go ahead and grab a food processor that it makes chopping up cheese or shredding up cheese easy, thank you so much because it worked perfectly. And now look at this. We are just dousing these French bread pizzas in this fresh grated mozzarella cheese that I just whipped up in my kitchen. And oh, those are gonna be so cheesy and delicious. I'm gonna choose some black olives, and that is what I'm gonna use right here on this pizza. I kind of like a lot of veggies on my pizza. I don't know, are you veg or are you more meat? I'm also gonna grab some banana peppers. I was feeling a little bit of a zing, so I'm just gonna toss a few of those right on top there. Gosh, I kind of forgot a little bit about the French bread pizzas. And then I started thinking about all this stuff that we used to eat in grade school and how to bring back some of those classics. So I'm gonna do the classic pepperoni here on my other piece. I think David likes a little bit more meat on his pizza. If I can even get this open. All right, technical difficulties opening the bag of pepperoni, but now we got it under control. So we'll load it on there. If you do like pepperonis, do you load it up with pepperoni? Or are you just like, oh, I just want a little bit? I don't know, right? I think it's Donato's. Isn't that who loads up their pizzas with the small pepperonis?
Load it up.
I remember that being a kid too. We had one of those right by where I grew up. Okay, look, we loaded that up with pepperoni. Now you guys, here comes the best part. I know you thought it was already here, but it's not here yet. For all of you guys asking me, what can I make that isn't in my oven in the summertime? It's so hot. Well, this is your answer, you guys. We're gonna go outside and stick these in the grill, and it is going to make them fabulous. Now that is what I am talking about. Holy cow. Look at how good the grill cooked the French bread pizzas. And you know what else I was thinking about, guys? I love the idea that you take 1 loaf of bread, you slice into the 2 pieces. If this is a 2-person household, look at that. 2 personal pan pizzas. They're a little bit hot still, but I don't know. I'm going veggie. And it's like, where should I even cut it? I'm just gonna cut it right in the middle.
Yeah, right there.
Look at that cheese. Oh, did you know if you sing, it's so much better. Oh my goodness, look at that doughy bread. That mozzarella cheese. Wow, look at that. That's what I wanted to see. I was like, come on, tell me it's worth it that we shredded that cheese, and it totally is, because that looks so creamy and super satisfying. Wow, it's amazing.
Good?
Beyond good. The bread's like doughy in the center. Bottom is crispy. It's time. It is time that we bring back the French bread pizza. Let's go, guys. All right, I want to know what you're doing with this. And you know what? Are you going to stick it in the grill? Are you going to put it in the oven? It's so versatile, and it's so delicious. And it's so easy to make, you guys. Let me know if you change up this recipe in any way, and I'm gonna scarf this down. You guys enjoy, and I'll see you later.